Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash them nice and clean. Wash, wash every day. Keep them fresh and clean. Turn the tap, water flows slowly now. Here it goes. Put some soap on your hands. Rub them well, yes you can. Front and back, rub them slow. Between fingers, here we go. Round and round, nice and neat. Make them clean, feel so sweet. Wash your thumbs one by one. Cleaning hands is fun. Rub your nails, don't forget. Clean them all, every set. Rinse with water, nice and slow. Watch the bubbles go. All the germs go away. Clean hands save the day. Shake them dry, shake, shake, shake. Dry them well for your sake. Take a towel, soft and clean. Best clean hands ever seen. Wash, wash every day. Keep the germs away. Morning time, night time too. Clean hands just for you. Great job now, you are done. That was fun, lots of fun. Wave your hands, big, big smile. Clean and happy all the while.